Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota RAV4. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, to use voice assistant, take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got this button. Simply press it and then follow the commands located on the screen display.
Pardon?
More commands.
Select an item.
Media commands.
Media commands are play followed by the artist and album or song name. Search for music. Genre followed by the name of the genre. Artist followed by the artist's name. Album followed by the album's name. Song followed by the song's name. Playlist followed by the playlist's name.
Station.
Say the station's name.
RMF Max.
Station RMF Max.
That's basically it. You can use voice assistant to many more options. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.